Namaskar. Hello friends. How are you all? I know you all are fine. Children, today we are going to start Unit 2, which is given on page number 13. See the title. Unit 2, You Love English, don't you? Children, you love English, I love English too. We all love English, don't we? Yes, we do. અને યુનિટ 2ની ઘણી બધી એક્ટિવિટીઝ દરમિયાન આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહીશું. So, let's start our day with activity 1, which is given on page number 13. Please see on page number 13. I am going to read the instruction. Please listen it carefully. Activity 1A. Sing this rhyme. Underline the name of objects and colors. Write them in the table. મિત્રો, તમે ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ધ્યાનથી સાંભળી? તમે જોયું આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં આપણે 3 વસ્તુ કરવાની છે. સૌથી પહેલા સિંગ ધીસ રાઇમ, એટલે આ રાઇમ આપણે ગાવાની છે. સેકન્ડ, અંડરલાઇન ધ નેમ્સ ઓફ ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ એન્ડ કલર્સ, એટલે રાઇમ્સમાં જેટલા કલર્સ અને ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ આપેલા છે એની નીચે આપણે અંડરલાઇન કરવાની છે. એન્ડ થર્ડ થિંગ, રાઇટ ધેમ ઇન ધ ટેબલ, એટલે આપણે જે વર્ડ્સ અંડરલાઇન કરીએ એને આપણે ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ અને કલરના કોલમમાં ટેબલમાં લખવાના છે. So friends, first let's sing this rhyme, but before that let's recite it, જેથી કરીને આપણે જ્યારે ગીત ગાઈએ ત્યારે તમે એના pronunciation સારી રીતે કરી શકો. So first I will recite this poem. You repeat after me. Blue, blue, the sky is blue. The water in the sea is too. I like blue, don't you? Green, green, the grass is green. Leaves on the trees are green. I like green, don't you? Red, red, the sun is red. When he is getting out of bed. I like red, don't you? Yellow, yellow, flowers are yellow. Sunflowers standing in a row. I like yellow, don't you? Children, we have recited this rhyme nicely. Now let's sing it.
Blue, blue, the sky is blue, the water in the sea is too. I like blue, don't you? I like blue, don't you? Green, green, the grass is green, leaves on the trees are green. I like green, don't you? I like green, don't you? Red, red, the sun is red when he's getting out of bed. I like red, don't you? I like red, don't you? Yellow, yellow, flowers are yellow, sunflowers standing in a a row. I like yellow, don't you? I like yellow, don't you?
Okay, now tell me children, have you enjoyed this rhyme? I know your answer. Now let's move to second part of this activity, જેમાં તમારે રાઇમ વાંચતા જવાની છે અને એમાં આવતા ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ અને કલર્સની નીચે અંડરલાઇન કરવાનું છે. Children, do you know what is an object? Okay, let me tell you. See, what is it? Yes, what is it? A pen. It is a pen. What color is it? Say me, what color is it? It's a black. So, we can say that a pen is an object. A pen is an object and black is a color. Right? Pen is an object and black is a color. Now children, look here. What is it? Tell me. What is it? Yes, little louder. What is it? You are right. It's a wrist watch. What is it? A wrist watch. And what color is it? Yes, see and tell me. Yes, it is red color. So, wristwatch is an object and color it is red. So friends, તમને બધાને સમજાઈ ગયો છે what is an object. હવે તમે જુઓ, આપણે રાઇમ વાંચતા જવાની છે અને એમાં આવતા ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ અને કલરની નીચે અંડરલાઇન કરવાની છે. એટલું જ નહીં, એ કર્યા પછી ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સ અને કલર્સના નામ ટેબલમાં લખવાના છે. જુઓ ટેબલ. Children, here one example is given. See in this table. In column of objects, sky, water in the sea, and in color, blue is given. Now you see first stanza. Blue, blue, the sky is blue. જેમાં underlined word will be blue and sky, in which sky is an object and blue is color. તો objects ના કોલમમાં sky આવશે અને કલરના કોલમમાં blue આવશે. The second line, the water in the sea is two. જેમાં water in the sea, it will be an object and કલરમાં તો blue આપણે લખી જ દીધું છે. So in second stanza, underlined words will be green, grass, leaves on the trees, in which in objects we will write grass and leaves on the trees, and in color we will write green. Third stanza, underlined words will be red, sun, bed, right? In which objects are sun and bed, and in color it will be red. And fourth stanza, underlined words will be flowers, sunflowers and yellow. So objects are flowers and sunflowers, and in color yellow. Children, it was very easy activity, wasn't it? Yes, it was. So now let's turn to activity 1B. Look here, I'm going to read the instruction. Please listen it carefully. B. Make similar type of rhyme by replacing the objects and the colors given in the rhyme. Use the clues given in the table. Have you understood what to do in this activity? લેટ મી ટેલ યુ, આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં આપણે જે રાઇમ પહેલાં જોઈ ગયા એવી જ રાઇમ જાતે બનાવીને છે. હા, આપણે આ રાઇમ જાતે બનાવવાની છે, પણ કોની મદદથી? સી ઓન ધ સ્ક્રીન. આ જે ટેબલમાં વર્ડ્સ આપેલા છે એ વર્ડ્સનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આપણે રાઇમ બનાવવાની છે. ચલો હું તમને એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું. સી ઇન ધીસ ટેબલ, ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સની કોલમમાં rose, lips of a baby. These two words are given and in colors, pink color is given. આપણે જે રાઇમ બનાવવાની છે એમાં we have to use word rose and lips of a baby, જેના માટે આપણે પિંક કલરનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. તો how we will make stanza? Okay, see, pink, pink. The rose is pink. The lips of a baby are too. I like pink, don't you? I like pink, don't you? In second line, in objects, milk and wings of swan apela છે and in color, white is given. So, what you have to do, use object milk and wings of swan and white color and make rhyme. White, white, the milk is white, the wings of swan are white. I like white, don't you? I like white, don't you? In third line, a cuckoo and sky in the night આપેલું છે and in color black આપેલું છે. Black, black, a cuckoo is black. The sky in the night is black. I like black, don't you? I like black, don't you? So, here we have completed activity 1A and B.
Let's go ahead. Today we are going to do activity 2 of unit 2. This activity is on page number 14. Students, in this activity we have dialogue of shopkeeper with Asha and Nisha. First of all, I am reading that dialogue.
Asha and Nisha are in the market. They are at the garment shop. Listen the following dialogue between Asha and Nisha and study the underlined parts. Shopkeeper says, "Good afternoon. Can I help you?" Asha says, "Yes, we heard that you keep very fancy Punjabi dresses, don't you?" Shopkeeper says, "Yes, we do." Asha says, "Please show us some Punjabi dresses in soft colors." Nisha says, "Hey, we planned to pick up a sari, didn't we?" Asha says, "Yes, we did, but let's try some dresses as well." Nisha says, "Look, I don't have enough money. And it was not our plan. Was it?" Asha says, "No, it wasn't." Shopkeeper says, "Is there any problem?" Asha says, "Yes, there is. Actually, we are a little short of money." Shopkeeper says, "That should not be a problem. Look at the board. We offer a good discount." Asha says, "Wow! It's great." Shopkeeper says, "I hope you are happy now, aren't you?" Asha and Nisha say, "Yes, we are." Nisha says, "Asha, look, this blue dress looks very beautiful on me." Asha says, "But It is full of too much shining material on it, isn't it? Nisha says, yes, it is, but it suits me. Doesn't it? Asha says, yes, it does. Let's purchase it.
Students, do you want to watch a role play of this dialogue? Okay, good. Let's watch a role play of this dialogue.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes. We heard that you keep very fancy Punjabi dresses. Don't you?
Yes, we do.
Please show us some Punjabi dresses in soft colors.
Hey, we planned to pick up a sari, didn't we?
Yes, we did. But let's try some dresses as well.
Look, I don't have enough money and it was not our plan, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Is there any problem?
Yes, there is. Actually, we are a little short of money.
That should not be a problem. Look at the board. We offer a good discount.
Wow, it's great.
I hope you are happy now, aren't you?
Yes, we are.
Asha, look, this blue dress looks very beautiful on me.
But it is full of too much shining material on it, isn't it?
Yes, it is, but it suits me, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Let's purchase it.
Have you enjoyed it? Good. Now look at the words which are underlined and in bold letters. You keep, don't you? We plan, didn't we? Was not our plan, was it? You are, aren't you? It is, isn't it? It suits, doesn't it? Student, look at the sentences and try to remember. અહીં જે sentences આપ્યા છે તેમાં બે ટેન્સીસનો યુઝ થયો છે, સિમ્પલ પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સ એન્ડ સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સ. In simple present tense, we use do and does for question tag. And in past tense, we use did for question tag. And try to remember friends, કે question tag બનાવતી વખતે જો sentence positive હોય તો એનો question tag આપણે negative બનાવીએ છીએ. For example, first sentence you keep તો એનો question tag don't you, એટલે આપણે જ્યારે પણ ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગ બનાવીએ છીએ ત્યારે પોઝિટિવ સેન્ટેન્સ હોય તો એનો ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગ નેગેટિવ, અને જો સેન્ટેન્સ નેગેટિવ હોય તો એનો ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગ પોઝિટિવ બને છે. લુક એટ ધ સેન્ટેન્સીસ. યુ કીપ, ડોન્ટ યુ, વી પ્લાન, ડિડન્ટ વી. હિયર વાય વી યુઝ ડીડ? because the sentence is in simple past, so we use here did. Was not our plan, was it? Students, here why was it? because સિમ્પલ પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સ અને સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સમાં જ્યારે ટુ બીના રૂપ, સિમ્પલ પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સમાં એમ ઇઝ આર એન્ડ સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સમાં વોઝ એન્ડ વર, જ્યારે ટુ બીના રૂપ આપેલા હોય ત્યારે આપણે ડીડ કે ડઝનો ઉપયોગ કરતા નથી, પણ માત્ર તે ટુ બીના રૂપ જે આપ્યા છે તેનું પોઝિટિવ હોય તો નેગેટિવ અને નેગેટિવ હોય તો એનું પોઝિટિવ કરીએ છીએ. એટલા માટે વોઝ નોટ અવર પ્લાન, સો હિયર ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગ ઇઝ વોઝ ઇટ? You are, aren't you? It is, isn't it? It suits, doesn't it? Look at the last sentence. It suits. Here we use does. Why? Because we use does when he, she, it or any singular name. So, understood students? Now let's go ahead. Activity 2B on page number 14 and 15. In this activity, we have 6 pictures and 6 actions done by Divya. First of all, let's see these pictures, and I request to the students, please watch it carefully and listen all the sentences carefully, because after that you have to complete the sentences using this picture description. B. Look at the picture, complete the sentences Here is an example for you. The very first picture, 8:10 to 8:25. Students, she is Divya. Now think, what was Divya doing? Yes, right. Divya was taking food from 8:10 to 8:25. So our sentence will be Divya was taking food from 8:10 to 8:25. Now second picture, 8:30 to 9:10. Look at the picture. What was Divya doing? Yes, students, think. Right. She was reading newspaper. She was reading a newspaper. So our sentence will be Divya was reading a newspaper from 8:30 to 9:10. Now third picture, 9:30 to 10. Look at the picture. What was Divya doing, students? Yes, right. She was washing her car. So sentence will be Divya was washing her car from 9:30 to 10. Fourth picture, 10:20 to 11. Look at the picture. What was she doing? Yes, correct. She was listening to radio. So sentence will be Divya was listening to radio from 10:20 to 11. Look at the fifth picture, 11:30 to 12. It's very simple, students. Look, what was Divya doing? Correct, swimming. So our sentence will be Divya was swimming from 11:30 to 12. Now last picture. Look at the picture. What was she doing? Right, preparing food. So our sentence will be Divya was preparing food from 12:30 to 1. Now write these sentences in your notebooks. Friends, let's have one exercise which is on page number 15. We will complete this sentence with the help of Divya's actions. We have 6 sentences in this exercise. Here you have to make question tag and answer it. For example, first sentence, at 9:45 Divya was washing her car. Now students, make question tag. It is very easy. Yes? Right. Wasn't she? Now students, answer it. Look at the picture. What was Divya doing at 9:45? Look at the third picture. 9:30 to 10. What was she doing? Yes, washing her car. So, answer will be yes, she was. Friends, સમજાઈ ગયું ને? અહીં આપણે માત્ર ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગ જ નથી બનાવવાના, પરંતુ એ ક્વેશ્ચન ટેગના આધારે તેનો જવાબ પણ આપવાનો છે. Understood? Let's have one more example. Second sentence. At 1:45, Divya was not going to office. Students, make question tag. It's very easy. Yes? Right. Was she? Now, answer this question tag. Look at the picture and tell me, was Divya going to office? Yes? Correct. She was not going to office. So, answer will be no, she wasn't. Understood, students? Third sentence. At 9, Divya was reading a newspaper. Yes. What is the answer? Right. Wasn't she? Now look at the picture. What was she doing at 9? Yes. Second picture. Correct. Yes. She was reading a newspaper. So, answer will be yes, she was. Fourth sentence. At 12:50, Divya was not taking food. Make question tag. Correct. Was she? Now what will be the answer? Look at the picture. In sixth picture, was she taking food? Correct. No, she wasn't. So answer will be No, she wasn't. Fifth sentence. At 10:30, Divya was listening to radio. Yes, make question tag. Tell me, students. Right. Wasn't she? Now what will be the answer? Look at the fourth picture. What was Divya doing? Yes, listening to radio. So our answer is yes, she was. Now last sentence. At 8:15, Divya was preparing breakfast. Right. Wasn't she? Now what will be the answer? Look at the first picture. What was Divya doing? Was she preparing breakfast? No. So answer will be no, she wasn't. Students, I hope you understood both the activities and enjoyed the learning. Okay students, we will meet with activity 3 in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.
Today's question: sky in night is dash in color. Option A black, option B white, option C yellow, option D red. For blank, choose your correct answer and give your response to this toll-free number 6357399480.
તારીખ 1/1/2021 પ્રથમ 10 ક્રમના જે વિજેતાઓ છે એમના નામ આપણે જાહેર કરીએ છીએ. નંબર 1 વિશાલ અરવિંદભાઈ ગોહિલ, કાંજા પ્રાથમિક શાળા વંથલી, જુનાગઢ. રશ્મિકા નરેન્દ્રભાઈ સોલંકી, મોટી સંખ્યાડ પ્રાથમિક શાળા, આંકલાવ, જિલ્લો આણંદ. ઉર્વશીબેન ધીરુભાઈ ઝાલા, નાના ગરેડિયા પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો ધ્રોળ, જિલ્લો જામનગર. ધનસુખભાઈ ચહેરાભાઈ ચૌધરી, શ્રી સૂર્યોદય પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો ધાનેરા, જિલ્લો બનાસકાંઠા. મુસ્કાન સલીમભાઈ મેમણ, વાવ અનુપમ શ્રેષ્ઠ પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો સતલાસણા, જિલ્લો મહેસાણા. પ્રિન્સી દિલીપભાઈ શાહ, સ્વામિનારાયણ સ્કૂલ, મણિનગર, અમદાવાદ. યુવરાજ પોજાભાઈ વોડેદરા, ન્યૂ એરા પ્રાથમિક શાળા, તાલુકો કુતિયાણા, જિલ્લો પોરબંદર. રામ હિરલબેન ભાવેશભાઈ, જ્ઞાનજ્યોત વિદ્યાલય, રાજુલા, જિલ્લો અમરેલી. ઋષિ નિલેશભાઈ ચૌહાણ, શ્રીજી વિદ્યાલય, તાલુકો ભુજ, જિલ્લો કચ્છ. અને હેનીબેન કલ્પેશભાઈ ટંડેલ, પ્રાથમિક વિદ્યાલય ભાટ, ગંડેવી, જિલ્લો નવસારી. સૌ વિજેતાઓને અભિનંદન.